Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exceptional device that has gained acclaim as the best 1.2 VDC battery charger on the market. The NOCO GENIUS1 Smart Car Battery Charger. This compact, intelligent charger isn't just any battery charger. It's a full-featured powerhouse designed for versatility and ease of use. Let's explore what makes the Genius 1 a must-have for every automotive enthusiast and casual user alike. First, let's talk about its impressive capabilities. The NOCO GENIUS1 functions as a 1A smart battery charger, capable of charging both 6 volts and 12 volts batteries. Whether you own a motorcycle, a TV, or even a car, this charger is engineered to handle a wide variety of battery types, including sealed lead-acid batteries like flooded, gel, AGM, and even lithium-ion batteries. What truly sets the Genius 1 apart is its intelligent charging technology. It's equipped with an integrated digital thermal sensor that adjusts the charging rate based on the ambient temperature. This ensures your battery is charged properly, no matter if you're in a hot climate or a chilly garage, preventing both overcharging and undercharging. Now, let's see it in action. Setting up the NOCO GENIUS1 is a breeze. Simply connect the clamps to the battery terminals, red to positive and black to negative. The smart charger automatically detects the battery voltage and begins charging. If your battery is particularly low, down to just 1 volt, the Genius 1 has a unique force mode that allows you to manually initiate charging, bringing even the most neglected batteries back to life. The LED indicators keep you informed about the charging status, so you always know when it's time to unplug. Another standout feature is its advanced battery repair mode. This slow-pulse reconditioner technology is designed to combat sulfation and acid stratification, ultimately restoring lost battery performance. This means not only stronger engine starts but also an extended lifespan for your battery. What's more, the Genius 1 isn't just for cars. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including motorcycles, lawnmowers, RVs, and even classic cars. It's truly an all-in-one solution for battery maintenance, making it perfect for any garage or toolkit. So, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just looking to maintain your vehicles at home, the NOCO GENIUS1 Smart Car Battery Charger is an investment that pays off in convenience and battery health. If you're interested in enhancing your battery maintenance routine, check out the link in the description below for more details on the NOCO GENIUS1. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.